Hey there everybody, and welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to publish the game, because they have done some updates. So we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to publish the game on Roblox. So let's go ahead, let's get started so everybody can start playing your games. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos. Alright, now that you're on your game, the first step that you have to do is go on File and choose Publish to Roblox. Once you do this, it might ask you to give it a name, but if you have already saved it before, it won't ask you to do this step. Let me just give it a name, testing game, publish. You can write down the description and then click create. Let's give it some time. Over here is going to create the game and publish it on Roblox while also saving the game. Now this is the first step. The first step is File, and then click on Experience Settings. Before, this used to say Game Settings. They're exactly the same, they just changed the name. We have to fill out this Content Maturity label because Roblox is focusing a lot. Basically tells Roblox, hey, kids 8 years can play this, but if they're 6 years, they cannot play it. It can say if they're 13-year-olds they can play it, but if they're 8-year-olds then they cannot play it. So please fill this out. You must fill it out with the same account that you have. So make sure that you fill out every one of these questions truthfully. Do not lie, because Roblox will catch you, and if they do, they can ban your account. So in my case, it's all no. We don't have any AI interactions, we don't have paid random items, paid trading items, we don't have media sharing, and we don't have a media feed. So let's click continue, and let's click submit. Success, your questionnaire has been successfully submitted. That's the first step. Once you've done that, we're going to go back on Roblox, and as you can see, it's saying pending. Let's cancel this, or we can close this, but one more thing is always add an experience icon and a thumbnail. If you don't add these, Roblox will never recommend your game. Now it's telling us manage permissions and privacy settings on Creator Hub. Let's click manage. So settings, you can change the icon, the thumbnail, and all of these. You can add a genre to your game. In my case, it's an adventure game. And the game right now is set to private. So let's change this to public. If you do it connections, that basically means your friends can play it. Only your friends, nobody else. I want this to be public so everybody plays it. Make sure to change the icon and thumbnail. I cannot stress this enough, because if you don't do it, Roblox will never recommend your game. Let's click Save Changes, Confirm. I'm going to click over here, View on Roblox, and there we go. There's the green play button, the blue play button. You can play the game, test it out, and you can play it with all of your friends as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope as well there's no new updates for this, so we can have just one video going around. But if you enjoy these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also join the Discord, and you can join us for a free class. We'll learn how to create a game together. And if you want, you can even join our courses. They're a lot of fun, and you learn how to build your own Roblox games. All these links will be in the description, and I hope you made it this far to the video. See you all in the next one.